The truth about it is, we have every reason to thank God for good and for bad. More especially what we are thanking God for today is God's favor in our life. And anybody who identifies God, there is no way God will let the person down. I'm here with our leaders, the real leaders of this state. It's not the Abuja leaders. Huh? These are the leaders that has control of their areas, their territories. There's only one who have lost territory and run away, come from abroad. But these ones are rooted and they have total control. And we have come to this kingdom to celebrate with our brother and to tell him that we are with him because he also chooses to be with us. It's the truth. He's telling you people about the story, how he was reappointed. Did you people not? I don't know why he didn't add the story, but he was also compared and given an ultimatum to resign. It takes a man who believes in something. It takes a man who is honorable to stand his ground. So I want to say that this administration that I'm leading will stand with you. You don't need to worry about the BP drug again. I don't intend to give anybody BP. There's no commissioner here that has BP. Before, you used to have BP. Now, there's no BP. There's no permanent secretary that is always lying in the hospital. They are putting line in his body, drip. No need for that. Me, I'm the curer of BP. It's the truth. For the fact that I won't give you stress. Even if I have to correct you, I correct you with love. Understanding that you're a human being, you're prone to mistake. That's all. And when this is the relationship, you see efficiency and effectiveness. And you see where government is moving forward. Government is not test. That is what we do. And that is the secret why my SSG, your wife no longer call you. Have you taken your drug? Have you taken your drug? That is very secret. But today, no. We're happy to be here to celebrate with you. It is just the beginning. It's the truth. It's the beginning. God can bless one anytime and in different ways. Let me tell you a story about my life. I have a cousin when I left the university. So we used to go for prayer meetings every Tuesday. Christ for All Nations. Around my one, that park side. So every day, this my cousin will complain. No miracle, no miracle, no miracle. People will come and say, my wife is pregnant. Hey God, she has successful cesarean section. This one, hey, my son, he has been looking for admission. After 4 years, he finally got. And him, sack of the man over there called him. What kind of blessing are you looking for? Your wife will be pregnant. You don't spend money before you know she has delivered. Is there anything bigger than that miracle? Your children will go and write jam before you know. You don't need to go and see VC. You don't need to see D. They get admission. Is there anything bigger than such miracle? It is favor of God. So it can be likened to your case. You have elder brothers, and they all said, look, we want you to represent us. It is God's miracle. You didn't lobby for it, and because they decided to to leave this responsibility, assign this family right to you, they know that you will defend them and protect the interests of the family. So they didn't make any mistake. So I know you won't disappoint them. So let me thank every one of you that are supporting us here. Continue to support my SSG. The SSG is the administrative head of my government. It's the truth. So long as, if I'm not here, and SSG is standing here, SSG is the one representing me. And I know strongly, working with the quality leaders that you have here, there are too numerous to mention, David Reeves, the chairman, and other people. This LGA is one LGA that we have already secured. You were listing the favors. That is just the beginning. That is just the beginning. If the opportunity comes, we will still give more to this LGA because you have stood with us. For your wife and your children, I want to thank you for supporting my SSG. The worst thing that will happen to any man is after facing the trouble outside, you start thinking, how do I manage the one in the house? And that is what leads to people living in the beer parlor. It's the truth. When you know that if you are going to your home, there will be a war there. You just look for one joint and just relax there. Start to take. So that by the time you get home, anything they are saying won't enter your ear again. But when you have a lovely home, you're in a hurry to go home. Even when you yourself were taking a bottle to my brother, let me reserve some space for the household. So please, madam, continue to give him peace. Love him and make him happy. And I know he's doing his best. And for the children, I'm very honestly happy to say that the children are also not disappointing. One of them made a first class. He brought the son to come and show me. I think, you're here, my friend. So it takes God's grace. It takes good parenting. A lot of people don't understand it. Good parenting. Level-headed. Obedience. And it's even worse when these children are over there, where the culture there does not even allow you to slap them. Where the culture has a limit of how you even caution them. So for them to go there and their heads are straight, it's God. So young men and young women, continue to make your parents proud. Thank you, our chief, Amayabo of Abonnema, for all the support. And the Council of Chiefs, thank you for all the support. Please, my mantra has always been peace. If we have to better Abonnema, Akuku-Toru as an LGA, there must be peace for us to come in. So continue to maintain this peace. Thank you for all you're doing. I've been hearing, you have my total support to continue to move this LGA forward. It is not my occasion. It is just for me to drop some few encouraging words. Our mommy has assigned that I speak for everybody. And I believe that what I've said here has covered everything. Thank you. But before I go, I know that the church has been, you can say, thank you, I want to go. There's something they are waiting to hear. Yeah, because if you speak all the grammar, wish them all the well, dance all the dance, and you don't say that one, it is not complete. I've been here, I think this should be my third time of being in this church. by the second time of entering this cathedral as a governor. The first was when they did the burial of the mother of Peter Side. I think.
Atedo's mother.
Yes. I didn't have the opportunity to address you, but today, by the special grace of God, I'm here. You know, we must continue to maintain this very wonderful edifice. In my place, we had one like that. This would be the old St. Paul's Church. It wasn't built, but molded, and just placed in a place. There. It used to be a famous church. But unfortunately, over time, it wasn't properly kept. Age, and also, like I said, the management at that time. I wish it were today, we would have still kept that church. So, what I'm saying here, you're trying to keep this place well, in order to make sure that the little dots that I'm saying that are not in order are put in order. The government, not me. Will support the church with a sum of 50 million naira. I think this is a major thing. Thank you, and may God bless everyone.